So yesterday we were visiting the tribe, not the tribe, the village, and I noticed the soccer coach was very passionate about the kids playing soccer and all that stuff, and like it got me all emotional as I was watching it, just because I knew that these kids didn't have anything. So I started thinking, what could I do to help these people? So I took the money that I made from YouTube and I bought them all jerseys, actually got the shorts as well, and we're going to give these to them later today. But it's because of you guys watching my videos. Like literally that's all it takes, you guys watching my videos, sharing my videos. And it's given these kids in the Amazon an opportunity to have their A game on. And for me what this means is they know that they're loved by other people and it unifies, I feel, the community. And then they can take pride in something else. So thank you guys.
With a little patience, we just might be here again.
Hola. Hola. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Gracias. So yesterday when I came, I saw how hard the team was working.
Ayer vino y ha visto lo duro que ha trabajado.
And I saw how hard the coach was working.
Y ha visto qué duro que ha trabajado el entrenador.
And I could see that he was a good man.
Le pareció al señor que el profesor es muy bueno.
So I wanted to help the team how I could.
A él le gustaría ayudar al equipo cuanto pueda.
And I wanted the team to be the best team that they could, to be unified.
Le gustaría que este equipo sea uno de los mejores equipos que hay en la selva y ganador.
So I got them all uniforms to wear for their big games.
Ha visto cómo ha hecho el trabajo el profesor y en verdad realmente le ha gustado bastante.
And we have them here today.
Por ejemplo, sorpresa. Ahora queremos verle que se pongan.
And then later this week we'll bring them back and then they'll have the team name and everything on them.
Les vamos a dar que se pongan, que jueguen un poco, después se sacan, nos entregan, le vas a traer pintado el polo con el nombre de su equipo, de él.
And I want to come back in a year from now or so.
Le gustaría regresar dentro de 3 meses para ver cómo está el avance del equipo y traer posiblemente zapatillas.
And I want to see the best team in the Amazon.
Y sería uno de los mejores.
Anything to say about it?
That's what it's all about. Yeah, because you guys watch my videos, that money goes to help the community and the people, and here we're in the Amazon.
Lighter than a bomb, brighter than a star, bursting from within, you've been tugging at my heart. That sensation